the door, a quiet ache I can't ignore. I try to breathe but nothing stays. Your memory floods the empty space. I hold the truth with shaking hands, a love too big for me to stand. I feel the weight of every night. It hurts to lose, it hurts to fight. The sound of letting go.